Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OneNote sync and notebook backups with Microsoft 365, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft OneNote on your device. Ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft 365 account. Locate the notebook you want to configure for sync. Right-click on the notebook's name in the Notebooks pane. Select the Properties option from the context menu. In the Properties window, look for the Sync Settings section. Ensure the option to sync notebooks automatically is enabled. If you want to manually control syncing, disable the automatic option. To trigger a manual sync, click on the Sync this notebook option. Next, let's set up backups for your notebooks. Select File from the top menu. Click on Options to open the Settings window. In the left sidebar, choose Save and Backup. Under the Backup section, set your desired frequency for backups. You can select a location for the backup files. Ensure the option to keep the last backup is enabled. Click OK to save your backup settings. Now, to create an immediate backup, return to the File menu. Select Export and choose your notebook. Choose the format you wish to export in. Click Export and designate the location to save the file. This way, your notebook is securely backed up. To restore from a backup, go back to File and select Import. Choose the backup file you wish to restore. Click Open to import the notebook into OneNote. Confirm that all your notes are present and synced properly. Regularly check your sync settings to ensure they are functioning. With this setup, you can enjoy seamless access to your notes across devices. You are now equipped to configure sync and backups in OneNote with Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.